Oh, 21. 21.
Sa ano ka mo, pag sa Makati ako, tapos nagmamadali na ako. Tapos bigla kami sasakay, tapos may kanya-kanya silang floor. Eh kasi sa Makati, mayroon kasing elevator na hindi dadaan ng 20, hindi dadaan siya ng,
Oy!
ng
Sakit
18.
sa ulo nun ba to eh?
Hindi siya dadaan ng 18th floor, ganun. Baka,
Ayun na, tumigil na
ang
naman tayo sa
ingay.
22. Hindi pala. Kala ko tumigil na doon dito.
Vaisito, move Vaisuta. We're going to the rooftop again for our last day of vacation. Vacation? Anyway, so echo. Where are you? Harap dito!
Puro pa dito.
Para kita yung resort.
Ay,
Tumuro ka mami.
Wow, it's sunny. Ooh. Windy. Super windy. Oh no. That's why the chairs are moved away. It was being under construction. Oh, the other one. There's another deck.
Kagabi na kami nakalagay dito ko.
Baka di niya tere ang inaayos kagabi. No. We're going in the other one. Not in the other one, but in the other one. What? Ooh. Look at that, man. Now it's not blurry. You can see, and it's windy. I love it. Super love it. Look at the view. Woo. Look at the beautiful view. That is where's the Mount Taal? Volcano Taal. That which one? The flat one? Yon. Yes, that is the one, the Volcano Taal. What is in English? Mount Taal? Yes, I'm right. It's Mount Taal. Ooh, super windy. I love it. I thought we're not gonna go here, but they just went by. I love it. Woo! I love it. Even we can hear it. Woo. So this is the place, Tagaytay City. It is called Cityland. Woo. My cousin, the pinakamakulit one. You can see the view, the whole view. I'm not. Huh? Don't know.
Duro, Belsi.
I have only one hand.
Okay.
What? Trey? There!
Dali, ready, get set, go!
Ulit.
Ulit daw. Sige, dahil si Reno. Sabay-sabay tayo.
Ali, Ali.
Ang pangit na may tsura niya. Pero sakto yung talon niya.
Sabay.
Nasaan mo sa akin yan, ha?
Game.
Whew! Yay! We're gonna jump. Ali. Ate, ano ginawa mo? You didn't jump. Trey?
Pagkago.
Can I see? Ay, yung buhok. Patingin.
Dilamig.
Oh, si Batoy!
I'm floating.
Tama si Batoy.
Ako naman.
Ali, let's go to the Mount Taal. We're gonna swim toward there.
No, it's off the limit.
Off limit? Why? You're gonna burn?
No. Di ba dyan daw tinapon yung mga sabungero?
I'm one of the sabungero. I'm just 10 years old, 11.
naman, kasi doon sa
Woo, Mount Taal! Minani Costa, Hamapu Costa, Paisito Muvay. Ooh, so hard to hold this.
Naablo ka sa pagkalim. Ikaw naman, nakahita naman.
There's someone over there.
Where?
1, 2, 3, kill.
Look, you can see the houses from the top floor.
Dito naman, wait lang. Capture natin tong mataas na.
Alina.
I'm still vlogging. They can't